Welcome to the Autostadt in Wolfsburg. I'm here for the world premiere of the new Volkswagen Bulli, the T6.1. What is new about that car? Let's have a closer look now. So this is it, the new Volkswagen T6.1, and at the front there really something has happened regarding to the design. So we do have a completely different grille with a lot larger air intake in here, and we do find this new chrome element here which runs into the daytime running lights if you order the optional LED lights. And the rest of the front is quite similar to the predecessor, but there is something new up there, which is the new antenna, and I have to say I do not like that. I do expect the Bulli sign to be here, but now there is multivan. But the rest of the side of the car, nothing really happens. But how should you make something that's perfect even better? Looking at the rear of the T6.1, nothing really happens. But there is one new thing, and these are these optional LED taillights. Like with so many other world premieres before, I found my mate Jan from AutoMotoTV. Jan, the new Bulli 6.1. How do you like the, let's say, upgrade?
Well, I would like to call it facelift first to make my joke, you know. If I go to a doctor and I say, well, I want a facelift, and I come back with double rings under my eyes and a big knob on my head, I'll be pretty upset, I guess. But everything is for a reason, and I like the reasons. I like the new steering, I like the knob for all the assist systems that come with the steering. You have a side assist. You finally have a lane keeping assist in the Transporter. And what I personally like, and I know how to park a car, you know, but still, you know, sometimes in bigger city it's a little bit of a hassle. You have a parking assist now that puts this big Transporter in a tiny spot as well. So I'm all happy about the facelift or the upgrade, let's say upgrade. And if we talk about 6.1, I'm satisfied.
When we talk about pricing, they put a lot more into the car when it comes to standards. What do you think about the price? Will it be increased a lot?
Well, since all the magic comes as an option, I don't think that they have to lift the prices too much. But, you know, since we're all business here, talking business, I think they will lift it just a little bit.
The interior of the Volkswagen T6.1 is a lot more modern than were the predecessor. So we do find new compartments here, like here, loads of space. You do now can charge your phone completely wirelessly, and very important with the cars, you can have a full digital cockpit and you can have touchscreens with the new infotainment systems from 6.5 up to 9.2 inch. Very important, the new Bulli is always on if you want, because that car features a special SIM card completely inside, so mounted in the car. That's very nice because then you will have these emergency systems as well on board. So if you have an accident, you will instantly find help as well. And for sure, we do have a new multifunctional steering wheel in the car. And as said, the rest of the car is a lot more modern, and I think very, very nice. The new T6.1 will feature a variety of different 2-liter 4-cylinder diesel engines, and they offer a power range between 90 up to 199 horsepower. And there will be the new electric version. That one will be presented at the Geneva Motor Show. This will then feature 112 horsepower and will feature 2 different battery sizes. And Volkswagen is promising that if you use the bigger one of these batteries, the car should then deliver up to 400 kilometers of range.
My personal favorites are the new infotainment system with all the modern connected services and Apple Music online. And also the safety features like the lane keep assist and also the trailer assist, which for me personally are very important to keep me safe and also other participants in traffic safe. Most of our customers travel long distances, or at least every now and then, and they are looking for a really good fuel efficiency. And we thought petrol engines are maybe not the best entering into this new age. So we believe our Euro 60 temp diesel engines are the perfect fit for our traditional customers. But we also have in addition now the battery electric vehicles, which we do together with ABT. And I think that's a perfect solution for instance, people working inner cities with a range of 200 kilometers battery electric. I think that's just a perfect offer. Within Volkswagen Group, we have a lot of electric vehicles coming, and you can imagine that our engineering departments are full up with workload. And we thought about, okay, how can we bring that battery electric vehicle now, and not in 2 or 3 years? So we looked around and then we identified App to be a really, really great partner to do this together with us.
That was the world premiere of the new Volkswagen T6.1, the new bully. What I really do like with the car is the new electromechanical steering, because with that car now features new driver assistance safety systems, and they really bring you more comfort and more safety. And then what I really do like is that the trim levels have a bit changed, because now the car features more stuffs as standard. And then the design, I really do like the new front, because with that new grille the car looks a lot more modern and fresh.